What's up, YouTube? Today I want to do a quick video on the peel off black mask. As you can see, okay, and basically I'm gonna put it on, let it dry up, and then I'll peel it off. So it's supposed to deep cleanse your pores and remove surface cells and stuff like that. So let's check it out. Comes in a little squeezable bottle, as you can see. It say dry area, apply the black mask as desired. Avoid eyebrows, eyes, and lips. Peel off 20 to 30 minutes. To achieve better results, apply toner. Okay, so basically, I'm gonna grab it. It's a black gooey thing, and I'm gonna start putting it. You, wherever you decide to put it, try not to get my eyebrows. It's up to you. The thicker you put it, it's gonna take a little bit longer to dry, but it's gonna be pretty much easier to peel. And right now it's gonna be a shiny black, as you can see. But once it starts drying, it will turn more to like a flat black. I do have a lot of dead cells over here, so hopefully this can help me a little bit. And I do have some on this area. Okay, so I basically put it in the area I would like to do it. So now I am gonna wait about 20 to 30 minutes. As you can see right now, it is 6:10, as you can see. Okay, so now I'm gonna wait about 20 to 30 minutes. Once it turns to a flat black, I will show you the peeling process. Check it out. Okay, as you see, it's a little duller. It's not completely flat black, but it is 30 minutes. Okay, so it's 30 minutes later. So I'm gonna start off at the bottom, and you peel it. You can see. Okay. So now, see, it peels really nice. You see? Okay. Yes, if you look at it, you do see hair and dead skin. You probably won't see it on the camera, but if you can see, look here, you can't see it, but yes, you see that right here, you see here, it's kind of hard to see, but you do see it. And there it goes. Okay, so that is how you clean it up. And they say to use a toner to finish up. Clean it up. I'm gonna wash my face up now. But that is about it. That is, if you make it thicker, you know, it will be more as one piece. But like I made it lightly, so it's less, you know, comes out pieces by pieces. But that's about it. Well, try it out, see if you like it, like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.